Hey, just showing the problem with my escape key that's not working. So I'm using the key tester here. Don't know if you can see it, key tester. So see, there's a fail there. Fail again. Fail again. Fail again. Working. So every time I click, if it registers, the computer will make a noise. Sorry. Put it back on this app. Right. Right. But fail. Working. The fuck? I'll put this down so you can see it. Well, you get a point. It happens, okay? This key needs to be switched out. Show you the serial numbers. So there's no sticker on the keyboard itself, but I bought 2 of them from M-Wave, I think. It was. Those are the serial numbers. So yeah, can't be bothered reading them out, but there they are. It's one of them too. I don't know which one is it. There's no serial number identified on the keyboard itself. Yeah.